Okay, I know that the court signed a stipulation to close the courtroom in this case, but I do want to make a record, and we are at this time. And what are the ages of the children involved, Ms. Mogenberg?
11 and 13.
Okay, and I assume that one of the criteria is that the witness's family or does not want the testimony to be taken in a closed or in a public courtroom. Is that your understanding from speaking with the family of the victims?
That is, Your Honor. I've had conversations with the mother of both victims, and she is desiring that the courtroom be closed, at least for the prelim.
Okay. And do you think it would be difficult for the victim to testify under circumstances where we had an open courtroom?
I do, Your Honor, especially given the fact that right now that would mean being live on YouTube. I think it would be difficult for each of the girls to testify without knowing who was watching them.
Are you ready for us yet or no?
Just a couple more minutes, Ms. Reed.
Okay,
Thank you
sounds
for
good.
checking that. Okay. Is there anything else you'd like to put on the record, Ms. Mogenberg or Ms. Conlon?
Your Honor, just that we also did agree that a support person could be present. That is Ashley Reed, mother of both of the victims. I have advised her that she could be in the room with her daughters, but that she's not to, give them any type of cue or answer for them at all. She has been advised of that, but I told her that the court would probably do that as well when she came in.
All right. Ms. Conlon, anything else?
No objection, Your Honor, to the courtroom being closed, or in other words, not being streamed on YouTube, and no objection to the support person, as long as I'm able to see Ms. Reed on camera and know that she's not giving either of the children any nonverbal cues as well.
All right. Well, I will look for the nonverbal cues. I'll ask her to be in the video so that I can actually see her during the time. Remind me if I forget or if she moves off camera. Let's see. So I do find that because of the ages of the children, 9 and 11, the nature of the offense, which is a criminal sexual conduct allegation involving a family member or someone that lived in the home anyway, the fact that this would be broadcast on YouTube, which is something that can be downloaded and shared and everything else, makes this particularly important. I think that the courtroom be closed in this case. This is something that could be out there for the rest of the child's life, and that's beyond the ordinary open courtroom. And in fact, I am closing the courtroom at least for purposes of the children's testimony. I don't know if there'll be any other witnesses, but so the order is tailored to the circumstances. It'll be only the children's testimony that would be not public. And I would note also that the defense has agreed to that as well through stipulation. So with that, is there anything else we need to take up before we get the witness back, Ms. Molkenberg or Ms. Conlon?
No, thank you, Judge.
You're muted, Ms. Molkenberg.
Sorry. We did agree that for purposes of the prelim, the children will say the name of the defendant, but will not, because of the Zoom situation, have to identify him.
Okay.
I don't have an objection, Your Honor. I don't think identification is an issue.
Okay, so there's a stipulation that the defendant, who I assume is seated behind you, Ms. Conlon.
Correct.
Okay.
Are you guys ready
you can
yet?
come back and Yes, you can come back in the room right now. Okay, there's a stipulation then, and I'll accept the stipulation that the person seated behind Ms. Conlon is in fact the defendant. And I do want to say to you, sir, that if at any time you would like to speak with your attorney, raise your hand, and you might have to wave it around a bit, but get my attention, and I would put you in a breakout room where you can